Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll take some time to acknowledge and celebrate our own strengths and qualities. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Let your back lengthen without tension, and gently close your eyes. Soften your shoulders and let your arms and hands rest in your lap. Release any tension in your forehead. Soften your lips, your jaw. Relax your entire face. And now, tune into your breath. Just notice your breath as it enters and exits through your nose. Notice how the breath feels cool as it enters your nostrils. On the way out, the breath feels warm on your upper lip. Notice the sensations as you breathe. There is no wrong way to do this. Just pay attention to your breath, noting the sensations as you inhale and exhale. Drop any judgment or labels. Simply observe your breath exactly as it is. If it feels helpful, every time you inhale, silently say to yourself, "in." As you breathe out, silently say, "out." Stay with your breath and with the sensations of breathing. And begin to notice if anything else is present for you. You might notice sensations in other areas of your body. or there may be emotions that rise and fall away. Allow whatever shows up to be there and then to pass. And just keep coming back to your breath, repeating in on the inhale, out on the exhale. And now, allow your attention to widen. When we sit in meditation, our body begins to settle and our mind starts to quiet down. In this state, our heart can also open with a little more ease, and this gives us space to recognize the inherent strengths and qualities that already exist within us. Take a few moments to recognize the efforts you've made to move toward a better you. Perhaps you are developing patience or empathy. You might acknowledge your resilient nature, your kindness, or your compassion. Maybe you are deeply creative or a very good listener. Whether these qualities are already strongly anchored in you or something you are working to develop and grow, take some time now to acknowledge who you are in your heart of hearts. Offer yourself gratitude for the work that you do. Hold yourself in loving kindness. And now, imagine carrying these qualities with you in every single thing that you do. With a sense of recognition and gratitude, plant the intention of moving through your day, acknowledging your strengths and celebrating your worth. Now return to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales. Softly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.